Good morning, good morning, good morning, and good afternoon and good evenings to all our watchers over there. And welcome ka-EdTech sa ating another episode of the EdTech Explorer. And for today's episode, we're going to focus on AI for education, particularly Gemini education. Ibig sabihin, Gemini AI ng Google is already integrated sa ating Google Classroom. Okay? But please take note, if hindi pa po kayo nakapag-subscribe dito sa ating channel, please do subscribe. Click the subscribe button. Lagi kayong updated sa ating mga latest video. Ayan, so to proceed, the Gemini, okay, is only available if you have Edu Plus subscription. Okay, so if you have Edu Plus subscription, then definitely you'll have this Gemini button. But if you're not, then pag naka-regular account lang po tayo, hindi po available si Gemini. But if in case you are interested to subscribe to this one, please check the link below, okay, para meron kayong idea kung paano mag-subscribe dito sa Gemini. Okay? So to proceed, just to show you some of the features of Gemini, okay? So first thing po, all you have to do is you have to be in the dashboard of your Google Classroom and look for this Gemini tab. So once you have that, click on the Gemini tab and then you'll be presented with these several Google AI tools for educators. Let's start with our first AI tool, which is the outline lesson plan, and you'll be presented with these options. So dito sa outline lesson plan, you'll have to input your target grade, assuming ito ay mga second year college students. Okay, so when we input our data here, just make sure that it's well detailed, okay, so that the AI output will also be somehow a little closer to what we want. Okay, so for example, second year college students here. All right, for the template, I'll just leave it as general, and then here describe the topic and standard you want to teach. Okay, so let's say for example, I want to teach the 12 principles of animation. At the end of the session, students can identify and describe each principles of animation. Okay? If you have materials na related dito sa principles of animation like a PowerPoint or something, pwede kayo mag-upload dito, upload from Drive. All you have to do is just to click on that and select mga files niyo sa Google Drive. Okay? So assuming na meron kayong mga files, click here, generate learning objectives. Okay? So pag-click natin dyan, okay? So from here, asahin muna natin dito, students will be able to identify and name each of the 12 principles of animation. Students will be able to describe the functions and purpose of each of the 12 principles of animation in creating believable movements and character. Okay? So if you're already happy here, okay, happy na kayo dyan sa learning objectives, ito naman, describe your class. Okay, optional ito. For example, the students are animation students. So, assuming na yan na yun, okay, then make sure na to double check lahat ng mga in-input po natin dito sa outline a lesson plan. Okay? And if you're already happy with that, click generate lesson plan. So here, you already have the lesson plan. Okay? Kung titingnan natin dito, the Gemini AI of Google provided us with a very detailed lesson plan. Okay? So if you're new to teaching, okay, or if you're new to that topic and sort of na medyo kulang pa kayo ng background on this and first time yung ituro to, so you already have this. The Gemini helps you to generate idea on what to teach our students. However, of course, kung kayo ay seasoned teacher na rin or madalas yun nang ituro ang 12 principles of animation or any lesson na madalas yun nang ituro, this will give us additional information, no? Additional insight kung paano ba natin to further improve our lesson. But please take note, as a teacher, we have to double check all of these details. Okay, another thing you have to look at the lower portion of the result, you'll have these options here. We have the option to find relevant video resources, create more hooks, and generate a quiz. Okay, So if you want to have video presentation, click this one here and the AI will generate or look for relevant video resources for this particular topic. You can click show more here. So let's say for example, I will choose this, and this. Okay, assuming these are the videos that I want to utilize. After doing that, click export to docs, and you will be able to generate relevant video resources. Okay, so nandito na yung mga videos na pwede nating ipa-watch sa mga estudyante natin in case you want to have more inputs for them. Alright? So ayan mga ka-EdTech, how to utilize the outline a lesson plan, one of the Google AI tools found in our Google Classroom. Okay? So, if you find this video helpful, please do like it and share it to our colleagues. So ayan, maraming salamat po at abangan ang ating susunod na pag-uusapan on the Google AI tools for educators. Maraming salamat po at hanggang sa muli. Paalam!